someone's screaming, another one's hitting, a dinner plate just flipped off the table, you're already late getting the kids up to bed, but somehow you still have to track calories for the day. But this doesn't have to stop you from getting your results. I want to give you the hacks to make this insanely easy so that you can get this done in 10 minutes or less a day. When I first started building muscle, I spent so much time focusing on MyFitnessPal and tracking my nutrition, but was I actually focusing on what I needed to? Just like any app, they want you to spend a lot of time there, but I want to show you the hacks that they won't tell you so you can actually get the transformation you're looking for. So number one, pick one time to enter your calories for the day. Do it all at once. This honestly could even be the night before, and you could lay it all out for the next day so that it's all planned and you don't have to think about it the next day. All right, number two, and now this only works for MyFitnessPal, but you can add all of the foods that you would normally eat into the breakfast category. And this is gonna work especially well if you tend to eat mostly the same foods every day. Add it into the breakfast category one day, and now the next day, all you have to do is swipe over and add everything from the day prior. Then you have the entire day done in less than a few seconds. And if you need to, make a few tweaks if something was slightly different. All right, number three, don't waste time tracking things that don't matter that much for your goal, especially things like vegetables, in particular leafy greens. Now, if you're gonna be eating a ton of broccoli, carrots, peas, those are a little bit higher in calories where it could actually impact you. So you might wanna track those, but anything outside of that, salads, peppers, cucumbers, those types of vegetables are not gonna make a huge impact on your goals calorie-wise. Number four, make sure, if nothing else, focus on your proteins first. Make sure that you're at least tracking that. And if nothing else, just remember to enter your protein. Now, number five, when all else fails, just enter the big calorie food items that you know you had that day. And if you miss one or two, don't worry about it. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will be your body. Number six, at the end of the day, if you realize that you haven't tracked a thing and you just don't have time to, but you're still hungry, I want you to focus on eating something protein-based first, and then drink a big glass of water and call it a day. What's more important than one day is day-to-day consistency over weeks and months. Number seven, if it seems daunting to be tracking your calories every day, I want you to just simply pick one day a week to track your calories. Now, beyond this building the habit of actually starting to track your calories, what more importantly it's going to do is give you an understanding of how many calories are in the foods that you're actually eating. That's going to take you far further than tracking all of your calories. And now if you can do a little bit more than that, try doing it every other day. All of that is building the habit and giving you that data to understand what you're putting in your mouth. All right, number eight, I want you to just start by getting up 10 minutes early. That's not much, and it's incredibly doable. And you could honestly use that time in the morning to track your calories for the day, or spread it throughout the day, or do it at night. But the best way to spend less time tracking your calories is honestly just to eat less often. But if you're worried that's gonna affect your results, this video over here will uncover the truth for you about whether or not you should be worried about meal timing. And as always, be intentional, bring the intensity, and I'll see you over there on the next video.